Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you a quick last minute Halloween costume that I had to come up with where I transformed my son and my dog from this to Shaggy and Scooby Doo, and I did all this for under $5. I would appreciate it if you would show your support and go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Now for the Shaggy costume, it was pretty easy. I just went to my local Value Village store and I was looking through all of their green shirts that they had in boy sizes, and I came across the perfect one. It was listed for $1.50, but today was a half off day, so I only paid 75 cents for it. And I already have some brown pants at home that he's going to wear to finish off the costume. And then I headed over to Dollar Tree and I quickly swiped a blue collar, and I also purchased a box of cereal, which you're going to see what I do with that later. Like I mentioned before earlier, this was like a last minute costume that I was not trying to spend too much time doing because I had plenty of other projects that I was doing around my house. So I kept this very simple. I took this cardboard piece that I had laying around my house, and with a pencil I traced out the Scooby Doo dog tag. And then I took my Jot markers and I colored in the dog tag. Once the dog tag was to my liking, I took this mini screwdriver and I punched a hole at the top of the tag, and then I took a leftover key ring from my keychains and I just put it through the dog tag and I attached it to the collar. Now that box of cereal that I mentioned earlier, I took this leftover paint that I had laying around. I believe it's called Apple Barrel in the color Laguna. It's that cheap 50-cent paint that you could find at Walmart. And I just painted the entire cereal box. When I was finishing up the second coat, I decided to go ahead and take this green, what is this? This green starburst looking design thing that I had purchased from Dollar Tree with a bunch of other ones a long time ago when I was doing like a garage sale. And while the paint was still wet, I just put it on top of the paint so it'll dry, just to save myself time looking for glue. And I printed out this Scooby Doo snack logo and I colored it in with these two bright colors. And then I glued it on top of the green starburst. See, this right here shows you that I was not trying to spend a lot of time doing this. I took this Bath and Body Work bag that I had laying around the house. Look, I still had some stuff in it, and I just cut the handles off this bag. I figured that they were sturdy enough to be able to hold the Halloween candy that we're going to put in this Scooby snack box. And then I cut the flaps off of the top of the box, and I was thinking about using some packing tape, but I thought some duct tape might be stronger, so I duct taped the handles on the inside of the Scooby snack box. And there you have it. My son and my dog are ready to go trick-or-treating this Halloween with their Scooby Doo and Shaggy costumes. I think they look so adorable. This was such a good idea. And like I said, it's quick and easy, and it was less than $5 to put this together. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell for future notifications of other videos. Now let me get to work so I can get those other videos ready for you. Bye. Happy Halloween.